So today I'm going to be doing a gymnastics challenge. I'm going to be doing 8 different moves, and if I at least get 6 points or more, I get to get some ice cream. And if I get it right, I get a point. And if I don't, I get an A. So let's get to it. Okay, guys. I got a point. 1 point. Nailed it. 3. You know I can do that. Wait. Wrong way. Okay, point. Anna, you better. That counts. That do. I have 5 points. 5 points. Wait, one more time. Oh. What? Does that count? Mom. Oh! I did it! 6 points! Huh? Wait. Gotta get 7 points. Seven points. I have 7 points. But I'm not so sure about 7. But I think I did a great job. So I got 6 points. I get to get ice cream. Helped you learn how to do some gymnastics moves. See you next time. Bye. And a little surprise. That girl Liana. Okay, bye.